Hello everyone, we're on step 21 of learning CSS Flexbox by building a photo gallery on freeCodeCamp.org. The alt image attribute should describe the image content. Screen readers announce the alt text in place of images. If the image can't be loaded, this text is presented in place of the image. So we're going to add an alt attribute to all 9 of the cat images. Use a value at least 5 characters long for each. So alt will put let's say cat sleeping. And then we will add an alt with this one. Like that. And that is it for this. Thank you so much for watching.